Hello everyone, this is Tulsi Bisen and my project is to calculate the air quality index. My task was to identify the most polluted city which is present in the database and to create a model, in dataset, and to create a model to predict the quality of air. So here first of all I have imported all the required libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib and Seaborn. Then I have installed the sklearn module. Here I have loaded my CSV dataset in the form of CSV file. This dataset I have taken from the Kaggle dataset. Here you can see here these are the features which are present in my dataset and PM 2.5, PM 10, SO2, NOx, HS3, CO, O3, benzene, toluene, and xylene. These are my pollutants, and based on the number of the value present in for these pollutants, I have to calculate the value of AQI, which is air quality index, and based on the value of this air quality index, I have to calculate the AQI bucket. AQI bucket means the what is the quality of air, means it is good, moderate, poor, like this. So first of all, I have checked here, I have created a heat map which shows the missing value present in my data set. So here you can see there are lots of missing value present. So first of all, I had worked on it. So the big part of this for this data set was the exploratory data analysis part. So first of all, I have checked for the null value present in each column, and this is the percentage of the null values present. Like in xylene, there was 61% missing values present. This is the description of my data set. Here I have set my date column as my index. Now, uh, now to fill the the land value present in my data set, I have used this formula to fill the NaN values, which will fill the NaN values from this PM 2.5 to xylene by their mean values, and the value will be grouped by city wise. Now we can see here now clearly that maximum of the missing values were filled, but this missing value also is still present here because for the whole city the values were not present there. So therefore now we will fill these NaN values with the mean of the column. Now here I have filled the NaN value with the mean of the column. So this is now the data set look like. So we can again check by heat map that the NaN values, all the NaN values were filled in this part. And for the AQI and AQI bucket, there are still NaN values present. And these values we cannot we could not filled with the mean value. We have to calculate the AQI values by using some formula. Therefore, this value is still missing. Now we will work for it. So there are this AQI calculation formula is taking the all the seven pollutants here. We are taking 7 pollutants for that, and for that formula, one of the PM 2.5 or PM 10 must be present, and total out of the 7, the 3 values must be present. So based on these values, we are calculating the sub indexes. So here is the sub index calculation. So here I have calculated all the sub index, and then the AQI value will be the maximum of all the sub indexes. So I have taken by using this formula, I have taken the maximum value of all the sub indexes, and that will be the value of AQI. So I have filled the AQI column now with this calculated value. So here you can see that AQI column is filled now, and so here only AQI bucket column is left out. And based on the now we will work for AQI bucket column. So AQI bucket, taking the values of good, satisfactory, moderate, poor, very poor, and severe based on the value of this AQI values. Means if it is 0 to 50, then the AQI bucket will contain good value. Good. So now we will fill the AQI bucket value by using this formula. So here we have filled all the missing values or non values present in our data set. Now we will check the correlation between the columns present in our data set. So here is the correlation heat map. And here in this graph, we are seeing the distribution of all the pollutants over 5 years. So here the graph is according to the pollutants. And here you can see here 2015 to 2020 for this 5 years, the distribution of pollutants is present here. And by this graph, we can clearly see here that Ahmedabad, this graph is between the AQI value and the cities. So here we can see here the Ahmedabad value, city is the highest value of AQI, means the Ahmedabad city is the most pollutant city, and then Delhi, and then Patna. Sorry, here by mistake I have written Gurugram. Now, we have already completed our EDA part, and now we will create a model to predict the value. And for predicting, we will record only two columns, AQI and AQI bucket. So based on the AQI value, we will predict the value of AQI bucket. So here we have created a data frame which will store this two column only. So this two column I have taken from the first data frame. Now these are the values present in the AQI bucket. These values I have mapped into 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now the AQI bucket value will be like this. So I am using here random forest classifier to do the prediction. So here first of all I have taken the value of AQI as my feature value and AQI bucket as my label value. And here I have imported random forest classifier and trend test split module. And here I have created the classifier, and the prediction is done by this classifier. Now we will take the value by the user. So here we can say like this. This required the AQI value, and based on this value, suppose this is 330. So based on this value, it gives us the quality of the air, that is 4. 4 means the very poor quality is here of air. So in this way, we have predicted the value of AQI bucket. Now, we are also checking the accuracy score, classification report, and confusion matrix for this model. So this performs very good because we have calculated all the NaN values with the formulas. So the prediction is quite good and satisfactory. This was the air quality index calculating project, and we have filled all the missing values. We have done the exploratory data analysis, and we have created a model using random forest classifier to predict the AQI bucket value. So thank you, and if there is any suggestion, then kindly mention in the comment box. Thank you.